Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn either a given number is divisible by these numbers 2, 5, 10, 3, 9, 6, 8, 7 or 11, either yes or no. For example, we are given a number 3425. So when we are going to check either this given number is divisible by 2 or not divisible by 2, we need not to divide the whole number by 2. It will be very long process. The divisibility test is just check the number at the unit place, the number at the unit place, the number at the most right side. If this number is even, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. So this number 3425, this is the last digit is 5, which is odd, so this number is not divisible by 2. So we will say this is not divisible by 2. For example, if I write a number 1424, the last digit over here, the number at the unit place over here is 4, which is even. If this number is even, the last digit is even, the digit at the unit place is even, the whole number will be divisible by 2. So 1424 will be divisible by 2 because the last digit is 2. For instance, the number is 25,420. The last digit is 0. The digit at the unit place is 0. So this number will be divisible by 2. So when we are going to check the divisibility rule of 2, we will just see the last digit, the digit at the unit place. If the unit place digit is 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, it will be divisible by 2. Otherwise, it will not be divisible by 2. So what is the divisibility rule of 2? The last digit, the digit at the unit place should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Now we will check the divisibility rule of 5. To check the divisibility rule of 5, again we will check only the last digit, only the digit at the unit place. If the digit at the unit place is either 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 5. So let's check the first number 3425. The digit at the unit place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. The second number 1424, the digit at the unit place is 4, so it is not divisible by 5. This whole number is not divisible by 5. The number 25,420, the digit at the unit place is 0, so it will be divisible by 5. So what is the rule to check either the number is divisible by 5 or not? Just check the last digit. If the last digit is either 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 5. So only the two numbers over here, this one and this one, are divisible by 5. So what is the rule, divisibility rule of 5? The last digit should be either 0 or 5. Now the 10, we will check about the 10. To check the 10, the last digit should be 0. So only in these three numbers, only this number is divisible by 10. And this number is not divisible by 10. 1424 is not divisible by 10. 3425 is not divisible by 10. Because the last digit, we will check the last digit. If the last digit is 0, it must be divisible by 10. So only the last number 25,420 is divisible by 10. So the divisibility of rule is of 10 is the last digit, the digit at the unit place must be 0. So we can see this one digit, the last digit 25,420, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 5, this is also divisible by 10. So this number is divisible by all the three numbers. The middle number is only divisible by 2, the top number is only divisible by 5. So this is, now we will check about the 3. To check either the number is divisible by 3 or not, we will just add all the digits of the numbers. For instance, over here the digits are 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will add all the digits. 2 plus 3 will give us 5, 5 plus 4 9, and 9 plus 5 will give us 14. 14 is not divisible by 3, so the whole number will not be divisible by 3. So the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3 when the whole number is divisible by 3. So to check the number is divisible by 3 or not, we will add all the digits and the sum must be divisible by 3. For instance, we are going to check the second one, 3195. So 3195, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 5 18. So 18, this is coming in the table of 3. This is a multiple of 3. So this whole number 3195 will be divisible by 3. Now let's check the last number. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So the divisibility rule of 3, we will add all the digits. If the answer is divisible by 3, the full number will be divisible by 3. So the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. Now let's check the divisibility rule of 9. Now again we will add all the digits to check either the number is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum is divisible by 9, the number must be divisible by 9. For instance, the number is 5 plus 4. We have already done the sum. This is 14. So 14 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Similarly, this number, the sum is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. So this number must be divisible by 9. The last number, the sum is 12. 12 is not divisible by 9. So this number is again not divisible by 9. So the middle number is divisible by 3 as well as divisible by 9. But the last number is divisible by 3 but it is not divisible by 9. This number, first number is giving 14 us. So this is not divisible by 3, neither by 3 nor by 9. So the divisibility rule of 9 is the sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. To check either a number is divisible by 6 or not, we need to check the given number must be divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. For instance, the first number is 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. This is the last digit is odd, so this is we can see that this number is divisible by 2. To check the 3, we will add all the digits. 5 plus 6 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is not divisible by 20 is not divisible by 3. So this whole number is not divisible by 3. If this number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, this is not divisible by 6 as well. So the number must be divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2 but not by 3, so not divisible by 6. The second number, the last digit is 8. It is divisible by 2. Now we will add all the digits. 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 8 24. 24 is divisible by 3 as well. So this given number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. So this is also divisible by 6. So what is the divisibility rule of 6? The number must be divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Now the divisibility rule of 4. So we will check for the divisibility rule of 4, we will check the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible by 4. For instance, in the first number 25,648, 48 is divisible by 4 because it can be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It is divisible by 4. So this whole number is divisible by 4. The second one, 25,312, the last two digits 12, 4 threes are 12. It is also divisible by 4. So the whole number is divisible by 4. This one, 25,302, the last digit 02, this is not divisible by 4. So this whole number is not divisible by 4. So for the divisibility rule of 4, the last two digits must be divisible by 4. The last two digits, the digits at the unit and tens place, we will take it separately and we will check them. If they are divisible by 4, the whole number will be divisible by 4. Now the divisibility rule of 8, it is very easy. If the number is divisible by 2 as well as by 4, by both the numbers, the whole number will be divisible by 8 as well. For instance, the first number the last digit is 2, the last digit is 8, it is divisible by 2, the last two digits are 48, it is divisible by 4 as well. So it must be divisible by 8 as well. The second number, 25,312, this is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 4, so this is also divisible by 8. That's last one, this is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 4, so this is not divisible by 8. So the divisibility rule of 8 is the number must be divisible by 2 and 4. The divisibility rule of 7, it is a little bit different from others. So the rule is only you will take the last digit, the digit at the unit place, and double it. You will make this digit double. So when you make it double, it will become 16. So you will subtract the 16 from the remaining number, that is the remaining number is 149. So 149 minus 16, it will give us 3, 4, 1 minus 1, 3 and 1. If the remaining number is divisible by 7, the whole number will be divisible by 7. So 133 is divisible by 7, so this whole number is divisible by 7. We will check only 133. 133 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, 6, 7 nines are 63. So it is divisible by 7, so whole number is divisible by 7. Now let us check the second number. We will double it, make it double. It will be 2. So 79 minus 2 will give us 77. 77 is divisible by 7. So this whole number is divisible by 7. Now let us check the last number. 9. 9 twos are 18. It will give us 18. So we will subtract 151 minus. So this is also divisible by 7. So in this way we will check all the divisibility rules of 7. Now let us check the 11. To check either the number is divisible by 11 or not, what we need to do, we will add all the numbers which are at the odd places. For instance, the numbers at the odd places are 1, 2 and 1. These are at the odd places. First place 1, then third and then last. Fifth number, first number, third number and fifth number. These are the at the odd places. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, it will give us 4. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. And the numbers, these two numbers, then add the numbers at the even places. 2 plus 2, it is also give us 4. Then subtract them. If the answer is either 0 or 11, the number must be divisible by 11. So this is giving us 0, so it must be divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Let us check this number. The numbers at the odd places are 2 and 2, 4. The number at the even place is only 1, that is 4. Answer is 0. So this number is also divisible by 11. Let us check another number. The numbers at the odd places 1, 8 and 4. So 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The numbers at the even places is 2 and 0. 2 plus 0 will give us 2. So we will subtract them. The answer is 11. So this number is also divisible by 11. Because when we subtract the sums, the answer should be either 0 or 11. So the number is divisible by 11. Now we will do some practice as well.